Good Monday morning, everybody. How are ya? Monday morning. This is the actual Monday morning, not next Wednesday's Monday morning. Okay. In my Pinterest board, going to go to the coloring book pins, and we're going to go to this one. That's the one I'm going to do next. It is called Fragmented Flower. I already did this grid bit. You guys can't really see it on the page. I've also I've created some circles for these so that they all end up the same length. You don't have to when you're drawing, but I wanted, oops. Oh my goodness, come on. I wanted all of this to be the same, I wanted these lines to end up being the same distance from each other. So we're going to draw this little diagonal going all the way around. Then going the other way, we're going to draw another diagonal going all the way around. And then going back again, we're going to do another diagonal going the other way. So it's making this zigzag. And then when we're done with that zigzag, so we're going to zig and zag, then we're going to go from here down to about half across there. And then we're going to come all the way out to the corners. And then we're going to go across here. Now, they don't have that lined up directly across, but I think I might, because I like it here, and that's directly across. So we are going to do that. Turn on my lights so you guys can see. You might be able to see my circles now that I turn my lights on. And I am going to draw these lines, but I'm not going to draw the circle. I think the first thing I want to do is a nice big outside border. So I'm going to use my brush pen. I'm going to draw an outside border. Great big fat one. Nice thing about this brush pen is that I can turn it on its side and get a nice fat line from it. Just like that. I got a bit of a smudge. Well, I don't like that. Don't want a smudge. But I got a bit of a smudge. Well, that's sucky. Alright, well, it is what it is. It will be in the final coloring book. There will be a little smudge in that corner. All right, so let's draw. We are drawing with a number. Where's my number 7? That's not it. There it is. My number 7. Okay, so I'm going to draw these grid lines. Could I draw them all the way across? Yeah, but that's It's a longer line. Much harder for me to keep a straight line. With a long line, we're gonna just do it halvesies. Like that. Okay. So now we're going to draw the zigzag. And so I started with a circle. Can you guys see the circle in the middle? That's going to be my starting point. And I'm going to zig from this circle to that circle. Like that. That makes all these lines about the same size. Like that. And then I'm going to go from this circle to that circle. Like that. And then I'm going to go from this circle to this circle this way. Okay, now we want to do this one from here to about half of there. Kind of like that. Okay, that's done, that part. Now I need to go out further and do the corners. So I want to go from here to here. That I might draw in pencil first, because I think I'm going to need a little more guidance. Oop, where'd my line go? That one's not quite right. One's a little off. now let's draw those. That's good. Pulling it toward me is good. Okay. Some of these patterns are a little bit tricky to do in large scale. Like that. That's good. And then the last one is straight across. And I'm going to once again do with pencil first. Is straight across from here to there. I swear I drew that line, but it was missing. So do it again. Okay, one more set of lines. I need to pull them toward me, I think. All right, that's it. That is the Fragment Flower. So on the back, I need to write Fragmented Flower. Come on. I think I'm out of pencil lead. Okay, Fragmented Flower, coloring book page number 26 is going to be for July 6th, 2026. There you go. You guys have a great day. I can see just coloring this in would be cool. I can see putting extra thick lines. I can see putting more rays in here maybe. I can see maybe doing paradox in there. That would be cool if you did paradox in this. I see all sorts of things. Do you guys see all sorts of things? That's the joy of everybody having their own imagination and playing. This is awesome. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I'll be back. Bye-bye.